Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to set up a professional goal tracker in Airtable. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's get started. First off, let's open up Airtable. Now, if you haven't done so already, create a new base. This is the foundation of your goal tracker, and it's where all your goals will live. The reason we do this is to keep everything neat, organized, and in one place. Next up, let's create our first table. We'll name this table Goals. Each row will represent a different goal you're working towards. This is crucial because it helps us keep track of every single goal and track our progress towards each one. Now that we've done that, we need to add some fields to our table. These fields will represent different aspects of our goals. Start with the basics like goal name, start date, end date, status, and progress. But feel free to add any other fields that you think are important. The reason we do this is to get a detailed view of each goal, understand where we are in the process, and what we need to do next. Next, let's talk about linking records. The beauty of Airtable is that you can link records between different tables. So, create another table. Let's call it Tasks. In this table, you can break down each goal into smaller tasks and link it back to the Goals table. This helps us because it allows us to manage our goals at a micro level and see how each task contributes to the bigger picture. Now, let's add some color to our base. Airtable allows you to use color coding to represent different statuses. For example, you could use green for on track, yellow for at risk, and red for delayed. Let me explain why this matters. Using colors can help us quickly identify which goals need our immediate attention and which ones are progressing nicely. Lastly, take advantage of Airtable's views. You can create different views like a calendar view to see your goals in a calendar format, or a Kanban view to visualize your goals as cards in different stages. This is important because it gives you different perspectives on your goals and helps you stay organized in a way that suits your working style. And there you have it. You've set up a professional goal tracker in Airtable. Remember, the key is to start with a clear structure, keep everything organized, and make use of all the features that Airtable offers. This way, you'll always be on top of your goals. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.